welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Long time no see. I know it's been a very long time. I have no explanation to why I haven't been on here. I guess I don't know. But anyways, today got new hair. Hi. We're not finished yet. Still doing another process to get where I want it to be. But anyways, still happy with my hair. Short too, so okay. So in today's video I'm going to be trying new products. So yeah, so we're gonna be trying like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 new products today throughout the entire video. So yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we have. We have the Morphe X Manny Mua, which I know this came out way back and I'm barely, like, you know, have my hands on it. Then we have Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Here we have Byrod, I hope that says Byrod New York, a bitter green essence toner. We have here Kenia Ontiveros Beauty blush and shine kit. And here we have a Perricone MD no makeup lipstick. So woohoo. So if you want to know what is up with these products, continue on watching. So let's get started on this. So obviously the first thing we're going to go to is with the palette, because we always start with the eyes first. Always start with the eyes first. Well, with me sometimes, but anyways, today we are starting with the eyes first. So I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe concealer, and I am in the shade C2.35, and we're just going to spread this around. Okay, so let's go ahead and go up in this baby. I did wanted to try these. I'm really excited to try this Morphe X Manny Mua Glam palette. So some of you already know, but these are some nice warm tone colors. And then here we have some, obviously you could use it as a as eyeshadow and a palette. So a highlight. So practically this is a eyeshadow plus highlighter palette, obviously. So this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting some colors to blend. So we're gonna go in first with Boy Next Door, which is a really like brown tonish color. All right, good enough. Now we're gonna go into a more fluffier brush, and we're gonna go in with Gainta, this burgundy shade right here. Because I'm gonna do a crease with this look, so I'm already looking at to what I want to add, what kind of color next I'm going to add. So we have this in mind already, just like that. I looked into the palette and I already saw what I wanted to do, and that's good, you know. Right after 10 layers later, we got it. All right, so I'm gonna grab some concealer and all right, right, so I'm gonna grab another flat brush to grab some of that Scorpio, and this is like some gold shimmer shade right here. So I'm gonna grab some of that and then just place that right on top of the crease, and voila, y'all see that? I see it. All right, so I'm gonna go back and then fill in, man. Oh, girl. Bam, that looks so good. Oh my god, yes. Manny Mua picked some really pretty colors for this palette. I'm not gonna lie, those shimmers are like really, I did have a little bit of trouble trying to get that color that shows on that burgundy color that shows on there. It took me several times, but I mean, we got there, you know, because that last video we made with that palette, that wasn't nice. Like, we couldn't get to that color at all. And when we tried to put another color on top, just so you know, we could blend it out so good, so we could, you know, have a nice blend, it took the entire color off. So I was like, what the hell? So we couldn't communicate right. So that palette was a big no for me, which I'm kind of happy. All right, so now we're gonna go into some eyeliner. I haven't done eyeliner in quite some time, so we're gonna go in with the I don't know, Dulce, I think that's what it's called, Dulce fine graphic pen. So obviously it's an eyeliner. Hello. So we're just gonna go ahead and do an eyeliner, not too big, not too small, around a good size to where like it doesn't cover up too much. Lashes. Okay, lashes are on, so I'm gonna tell you I use the Lashy Box 3D Silk Lashes in All Nighters. So those are the lashes I use. I'm telling you, lashes make everything better. Okay, so now it's time to go to the face. So I'm gonna go in with the Byrod New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. So I really never heard of this. This is my first time trying it, so I don't know if I could really like make a review on this until I like, you know, really see what it's for, like how, you know, works on me or stuff. So, but I'm either way excited. I will tell you guys how it feels. I will tell you guys, it smells really good. Ooh. It is like fresh as fuck, so I'm guessing that's a good thing. That feels really freaking good. Gives a nice little tone. It smells good. Really, like, as soon as you put it on your face, it's like freshness just hit you in the face. Real good shit. Real good shit. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with some primer. But let me find my primer first. Alright, so I'm going in with the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. So now we're gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage. Boop, boop. I feel like I put too much, but all right, so now I'm gonna grab my sponge. I'm just gonna blend this out. All right, so for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe concealer. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier. Oh my god, something's in my eye. I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier powder, and then we're gonna place it where we concealed the face. So I'm gonna make sure I get enough so we can really bronze up this freaking face. All right, so I'm gonna grab some more Laura Mercier and we're gonna bake the bottom of it. All right, so now we're gonna go into blush. We're really not going to use the highlight from here. We're gonna use it from here. So we're gonna go in with XOXO for blush. And then a little bit of Gemini. You don't want it too heavy either, so. All right, so for our highlight, we're gonna go in with the camera, which is this one right here, maybe. Oh, babe. Hi. That's really pretty. All right, so what is this right here? We're gonna go in with the Perricone MD No Makeup lipstick. I hope it's not like too pinkish because we probably like, it really won't go. Well, it's actually a nice color. It might go with it. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. Okay. So for setting spray, we're going to go in with the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, you guys. Let's let go of this hair. And here I am. Okay, you guys, so far every product that I used today was really freaking good. The lipstick, I really did love it. I really did, because let's say that it wasn't really like, I expected it to be like more pinkish or whatever to what it shows on here, but it really shows like the natural color of your lips, and that's what I freaking love. And it has like a nice little glow to it, so it's really, really not too much. So I'm really in love with that lipstick. This shit is the shit. But yeah, you guys, so it's really good. You see the color here and the difference here. I expected it to be that color because I thought it wasn't going to match with the eye look, but by the way this is looking, that is really pretty, and I'm really, really impressed. I really do love this. This is real good shit. This right here, the blush is amazing. The highlight is amazing, obviously. Good shit too. So the Vacay setting spray, setting mist, I really like want to actually, like, you know, use it often to see if it really, you know, helps my makeup out or whatever, to stay in place, you know, to, you know what I mean. So, you know, whatever setting spray does or whatever. But it smells so freaking good. It's refreshing. It's trying to, like, makes your face really refreshing. So that's good about it also. So I'm really excited to see what this does. What else do we use? Okay, so the palette. There was maybe like that one color, the burgundy color, I was really trying to pack on so freaking much. I don't know if the other colors are the same, the dark colors are the same, but it's a really, really good palette. That gold color was just moi. It was beautiful. It was really pigment, you know. Of course I did like how to do like 1 or 2 swipes, but you know, it was really good, you know. The look is there, you know, and we really worked on it. So it's a really nice palette. I mean, it has your highlight in there. I really didn't use the highlight because I ended up using the other one, but this palette was really, really nice, and it's goody. I'm kind of excited to do more. Probably like use this palette and do a video on my Instagram. Well, post a video on my Instagram with a different look, you guys. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, it's below the description box. And last but not least, the Bitter Green Essence Toner. When I first, you know, placed it on my face, it was refreshing. It smelled so freaking good. It's just, you know, you could put this on after or before, like before your makeup, and then probably after when you clean up, when you know you do your cleaning routine on, you know, on your face or whatever, you go apply that afterwards to keep it fresh, to keep it nice. But yeah, all these products were freaking amazing. I did love them. I do give them a big thumbs up. I will be putting the freaking I can't talk today. I will be putting the items that I use on today's video under the description under the description box, so yeah, go ahead and check them out, you guys. So anyways, I'm really happy to be back for the 10th or millionth time I've told you guys. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.